Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Today, we're going to talk about something that almost every English learner struggles with. It's listening. Not just any listening, real listening. The kind of listening where you understand English without subtitles. Now, maybe you watch English movies. Maybe you enjoy TV shows or YouTube videos. And maybe you always turn on subtitles because you're afraid you won't understand. Subtitles feel helpful. They feel safe. But there is a problem. When you read subtitles, your eyes are doing the work, not your ears. You think you're listening, but actually you're reading. And when you turn the subtitles off, you suddenly feel lost. You feel like you understand nothing. This is why many learners don't improve their listening. They become dependent on subtitles. Subtitles become like a crutch, something you cannot walk without. Today, I want to show you a better way. A way to train your ears and your brain so you can understand English naturally without reading. So let me ask you something. What if I told you there is a simple secret that most learners miss? It's not about memorizing more vocabulary. It's not about listening for 10 hours a day. It's about how you listen. It's about training your brain step by step until English sounds clear and natural. Let's explore this together. All right, the first step is to choose the right material. This sounds easy, but many learners make a big mistake. They choose something that is too difficult. For example, they start watching the news. News English is very fast. Or they watch a complicated movie where the actors speak quickly, use slang, and sometimes the sound is not clear. After that, they feel disappointed. They say, "My English is bad. I can't understand anything." But listen carefully. This is not your fault. You are not bad at English. The problem is not you. The problem is the material. If you try to climb a huge mountain on your first day, of course you will fail. But if you start with a small hill, you will walk, you will climb, and you will succeed. Listening works the same way. In the beginning, you need what I call high context English. What does that mean? High context means you understand the situation and meaning even if you don't understand every word. You don't feel completely lost. You can guess what's happening. For example, a children's cartoon. The characters move a lot. The pictures tell the story. A child wakes up, brushes his teeth, eats breakfast, and goes to school. Even if you don't catch every word, the visuals help your brain understand. Another example is a simple story podcast for learners. The speaker talks slowly. The sentences are short. The story is about daily life. These are things you already know, so your brain can guess the meaning. This is powerful because it builds confidence. You don't feel like you are drowning in a big ocean of English. You feel safe, you feel in control, and step by step you become stronger. Start with simple content, short stories, easy videos, clear topics. As your listening improves, you can move to more difficult material. Now let's talk about the next step. This step is about how you listen. Many learners press play once. If they don't understand, they stop. They feel frustrated and give up. But listening once is not enough. Your brain needs repetition. Your ears need training. That's why I recommend the 3-listen rule. It's simple, but very powerful. You listen to the same audio 3 times, each time with a different goal. The first listen is for the gist, the big idea. Don't worry about every word. Just ask yourself, what is this about? Maybe it's about travel, food, work, or family. That's enough. The second listen is for key phrases. Listen for important expressions that repeat. For example, I woke up early, or I went to the shop. Your brain starts recognizing how words sound together. The third listen is for details. Small information, maybe the time, the place, or numbers. You don't need everything, just a few extra details. Think of it like looking at a picture. First, you see the big shape, then the lines, then the small colors. Together, you see the full picture. Listening works the same way. Now let's talk about something that makes many learners nervous. The idea that you must understand every single word. This is not true. Even native speakers don't understand every word all the time. When they hear a new or difficult word, they don't panic. They continue listening and focus on the meaning. You should do the same. Real listening is not about understanding 100% of the words. Real listening is about understanding the message. For example, someone says, "Do you want to grab a coffee later?" Maybe you don't know the word grab, but you hear coffee and later. You understand the situation. That's enough. Your brain fills the gaps, and over time, your understanding grows. So remember this. You don't need every word. You need the message. Now, let's make this practical. How should you practice every day? First, choose something simple and short. Not a long movie. Maybe a short video or a beginner podcast. Second, listen without subtitles. Let your ears do the work. Third, use the 3-listen rule. First time, listen for the big idea. Second time, listen for key phrases. Third time, listen for details. After that, you can turn on subtitles to check what you missed. Practice like this every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. The secret is daily practice, not once a week. Every day your brain learns a little more. Every day your ears become stronger. Thank you so much for joining me today on Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.